Lesson 12, Rainy Day. Bài 12, Ngày Mưa.
Hello, I am Emily. Today it is raining outside. It has been raining since the morning. The sky is gray and there are clouds everywhere. I can hear the rain tapping on the roof. It sounds like music. I put on my raincoat and boots. I also carry an umbrella. I like to splash in the puddles. It is so much fun. On rainy days, I like to stay indoors. I read books and drink hot chocolate. It feels cozy and warm. I like rainy days. It's a nice change from sunny weather. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.